Imagine your body suddenly launching tiny explosions inside you without warning or reason. That's essentially what happens when you get hiccups. And the wild part, nobody fully understands why hiccups occur. It's a quirky, mysterious phenomenon that can strike at any moment, leaving you puzzled and sometimes embarrassed. The randomness of hiccups makes them even more fascinating, and today, we're diving deep into what's really going on when your body decides to hiccup. Let's unravel the science and the myths behind this everyday yet baffling event. One moment you're perfectly fine, and the next, your chest jumps, your throat snaps shut, and suddenly you sound like a broken squeaky toy. It's a universal experience, but it always feels unexpected. Hiccups can turn a normal day into a moment of confusion and amusement. But what actually causes hiccups? And why are they sometimes so stubborn, refusing to go away no matter what you do? In this video, we'll explore the science behind hiccups, their triggers, and why they can be so hard to stop. Get ready for some surprising facts. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly spasms. The diaphragm is the muscle located just beneath your lungs, and it plays a crucial role in breathing. When it contracts unexpectedly, you quickly suck in air, but almost instantly your vocal cords slam shut, creating the classic hic sound. So a hiccup is essentially a glitch in your breathing muscles. This involuntary reaction is what makes hiccups so unpredictable and difficult to control. Understanding this mechanism is the first step to unraveling why hiccups happen. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that sits below your lungs. It contracts and relaxes to help you breathe in and out. When you inhale, the diaphragm moves downward, allowing your lungs to expand. During a hiccup, however, this muscle contracts suddenly and involuntarily. The result is a quick intake of air, followed by your vocal cords snapping shut. This process is what produces the hiccup sound. The diaphragm's unique function makes it central to understanding hiccups and their unpredictable nature. The conic hic sound is created when the vocal cords slam shut after a sudden intake of air. This happens so quickly that it's almost impossible to control. The sound is unmistakable and often draws attention, whether you're in a quiet room or a crowded space. It's a reminder that hiccups are not just a physical reaction, but also a social one. The combination of diaphragm spasms and vocal cord closure is what makes hiccups both fascinating and annoying. What triggers this glitch in your breathing muscles? One of the most common causes is eating too fast. When you swallow air while eating or drinking, it can irritate the diaphragm. Spicy foods and carbonated drinks are also notorious for causing hiccups. Your soda might literally be fighting your lungs. Even laughing too hard or experiencing sudden stress or excitement can set off hiccups. The nervous system plays a huge role in these triggers, making hiccups a complex reaction. Spicy foods and carbonated drinks are frequent culprits when it comes to hiccups. The irritation they cause can make your diaphragm react unexpectedly. Drinking soda or eating hot peppers might seem harmless, but they can set off a chain reaction in your body. It's not just about taste. These foods and drinks physically affect your breathing muscles. Next time you reach for that fizzy drink, remember it could be the start of a hiccup episode. Emotions can play a surprising role in triggering hiccups. Laughing too hard, feeling stressed, or experiencing excitement can all set off hiccups. These emotional reactions affect your nervous system, which in turn influences your diaphragm. It's a reminder that hiccups are not just about what you eat or drink, they're also connected to how you feel. The interplay between emotions and physical reactions makes hiccups a truly unique phenomenon. Our nervous system is deeply involved in the hiccup process. It controls the diaphragm and responds to various triggers, including food, drink, and emotions. Sometimes hiccups happen after eating too much, drinking alcohol, experiencing temperature changes, or reacting to sudden emotions. The nervous system's complexity means that hiccups can be triggered by a wide range of factors, making them difficult to predict or prevent. Besides eating and emotions, hiccups can be triggered by drinking alcohol, sudden temperature changes, or even just eating too much. These everyday actions can irritate the diaphragm or affect the nervous system, leading to hiccups. It's interesting how such ordinary activities can result in such a peculiar reaction. The variety of causes highlights how complex and unpredictable hiccups really are. Most hiccups disappear within a few minutes, but sometimes they stick around much longer. In rare cases, people have had hiccups for days, months, or even years. Imagine trying to sleep or go about your day with constant hiccups. It's more than just annoying. Persistent hiccups can be linked to nerve problems, brain conditions, or irritation affecting the diaphragm. When hiccups last unusually long, it's important to seek medical advice. There are documented cases where hiccups have lasted for months or even years. These extreme cases are often linked to underlying medical issues, such as nerve damage or brain conditions. The impact on daily life can be severe, affecting sleep, eating, and social interactions. Persistent hiccups are a reminder that while most hiccups are harmless, they can sometimes signal deeper health concerns. If hiccups persist for an unusually long time, it's wise to consult a doctor. Persistent hiccups may be a sign of nerve problems, brain conditions, or irritation affecting the diaphragm. Medical professionals can help identify the cause and recommend treatment. While most hiccups are harmless, it's important to pay attention when they don't go away. Taking hiccups seriously can prevent bigger health issues down the line. Hiccups are a fascinating and mysterious bodily reaction. They're caused by sudden diaphragm spasms, triggered by a variety of factors including food, drink, emotions, and more. While most hiccups are harmless and disappear quickly, persistent cases can signal deeper health issues. Understanding the science behind hiccups helps us appreciate how complex our bodies are. Next time you hiccup, remember there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. Hiccups are a quirky, universal experience that can strike at any moment. They're usually harmless, but their unpredictability makes them interesting. Whether triggered by food, drink, emotions, or other factors, hiccups remind us of the complexity of our bodies. If hiccups persist, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Otherwise, just enjoy the oddity and know that science is still working to fully understand why they happen.